Welcome. This video will guide you through fixing common issues with visual intelligence and camera control on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. These AI-powered features require specific settings and techniques to work correctly. We'll cover everything from enabling Apple Intelligence to mastering the camera control button. Visual intelligence on your iPhone 17 relies on Apple Intelligence. This AI system powers the enhanced visual processing features. To get started, you need to enable Apple Intelligence in your settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Apple Intelligence and Siri. This is where you'll find the toggle for the feature. On the Apple Intelligence and Siri page, you'll see a toggle for Apple Intelligence. Switch it to the On position. This activates the AI system that powers visual intelligence. After enabling Apple Intelligence, perform a quick restart of your iPhone. This helps ensure the changes take effect and visual intelligence works smoothly. The camera control button on the right side of your iPhone 17 offers gesture-based camera interactions, allowing hands-free control of the camera app. To ensure it's properly configured, navigate to Settings, then Camera, and select Camera Control. Verify that the camera control button is enabled in the settings. Check the settings for single press and long press actions to understand their configuration. Single press typically opens the camera, while long press may access advanced modes. A common issue with camera control is using a quick tap instead of a long press. For many functions, you need to press and hold the button until you see the Siri glow animation. This activates different modes and features. Practice the long press technique to avoid frustration and unlock the full potential of camera control. Visual intelligence and camera control on your iPhone 17 require iOS 26.2 or a later version for stable operation. Without this minimum software version, you may experience glitches or unresponsive features. To check your current iOS version and ensure compatibility, navigate to your Settings app, then select General and choose Software Update. If you're running an older version of iOS, you'll see available updates on this screen. Download and install the latest update to ensure your device has the necessary software for optimal performance. This update process may take several minutes. Once installed, it will fix potential compatibility issues and resolve glitches with visual intelligence and camera control. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. A dirty camera lens can interfere with visual intelligence's image analysis. Use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the lens before use. Additionally, remove any phone case or cover that might be blocking the camera control button or interfering with its functionality. Test the button without the case to see if it resolves the issue. Like any computer, your iPhone can experience glitches. A simple restart can often resolve temporary issues with visual intelligence or camera control. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button and volume up button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. If all else fails, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, and then choose Reset All Settings. Note that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords and other preferences, so you'll need to reconfigure them after the reset. After the reset, try using visual intelligence and camera control again. Thanks for watching.